Hey guys, this is day 5 of my 12 Days of Christmas tutorial series. I will be posting one Christmas tutorial every Friday for 12 weeks. Today we will make a mini wreath, which can also be used as a candle decoration. You can find links to days 1 to 4 in the description along with written instructions for this tutorial. Let's get started. To create this piece, you will need a metal ring that is 3 inches in diameter, 64 feet of 2mm single strand twisted cotton string, a tapestry needle to add your beads to your cord, and 8 beads, I'm using gold beads, that are about 0.5 of an inch in diameter. Check out the description for a link if you're interested in purchasing this string. Cut 32 pieces of cord, each piece is 2 feet long. Attach each piece to your ring using lark's head knots. Grab 4 cords and tie a half square knot. Make sure you are bringing the left cord in front to tie your half square knot. Add 1 gold bead to the right cord using a tapestry needle. Tie 1 more alternating half square knot. Bring the right cord in front of your work to tie your knot. Use the cord on the left of your square knot as your filler cord and tie 2 double half hitch knots working down and to the right. Tie another double half hitch knot with the 2 filler cords to connect the 2 sides. I will tie another row of double half hitch knots on both sides, but before I do that, I'm going to connect the sections at the top. To do so, I will tie a double half hitch knot. Use the cord on the left as your filler cord and tie 3 double half hitch knots working down and to the left. Repeat that method on the left side of your work. Tie another double half-hitch knot with the 2 filler cords to connect the 2 sides. Repeat that same process all the way around your work. You should make 8 sections total. I'll show you one more time. Just a reminder that we have already tied the 2 sections together at the top on the left side, so we do not have to tie that first double half-hitch knot again. We will need to tie a double half-hitch knot at the top on the right side to connect the section on the left with the next section on the right. Cut the cords so that they measure approximately 0.5 inches long. Repeat that process all the way around your work. When finished, you should have created 8 sections total. Brush out the ends and then trim to your desired length. There are lots of uses for this mini wreath. It can be hung on a Christmas tree, hung on the wall, but my favorite is to use it as a decorative piece around a candle. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial might be useful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thanks so much.